Here is one that I nearly prepared earlier. Basically, we started filming this, and head of tech, Mr. F, realised it only actually recorded 7 seconds worth. I gave the performance of my life.
That is a fact.
That is a fact.
That is a fact.
But anyway, I was then told I was making it too complicated. So maybe it was the camera itself that decided enough was enough. I may have been a little bit grumpy as well. Okay, so this is essentially, it's a smoothie that I make most days. I don't make it every day because who can be bothered to do something totally healthy every single day?
Well, and you do your bircher as well, don't you? Which is nice.
Yeah, but I kind of alternate it around. What I normally do though is I put all the ingredients in here the night before, and then I leave the banana out on the side because otherwise it will just go really nasty. So what I've got in it, I've got loads of stuff in it. You don't need to put this in. But basically I've got collagen powder, I've got flax seeds, goji berries, chia seeds. I've got no idea what this green powder is.
It's a super green.
It's a super green, okay. I've got this one, which is supposed to be good for your intestinal tract.
And what are those ones then? So let's have a look at that. So that's the... Okay, and what was the collagen one?
This one.
Oh, okay.
Just a bit of powder. And where did I get it from? I got it from the gym that I go to, but I think you can get it online as well, and there are other types available. Flax seeds, like I say, I put loads in. You don't need to put as much as this in. So that's what's in there right now. If you want to do the same thing but have it super duper easy, this is all you need. Literally a banana, some oats, some peanut butter. Normally put a bit of honey in, but we've run out of honey. Oh, and also milk. Now, you can use normal milk. I use almond milk because I'm horribly allergic to dairy, as many of you know. So I can't have cow's milk. Oh, I forgot to put the peanut butter in. Do not put the peanut butter in after you put the milk in, because basically it just goes everywhere. Why put peanut butter in? Well, loads of protein. So not only does it kind of fill you up, it's kind of like a slow energy release as well.
It's a great taste as well.
Yeah. Even if you don't really like peanut butter, it's actually really nice.
Another little tip as well is sometimes if you just really do want a nice energy boost, is put a teaspoonful of coffee granules in.
Really?
Yeah. And it gives it that extra caffeine kick as well.
Is that not really nasty?
Not at all.
Did it not just go all gritty?
Nope, it all blends in with the milk and everything. It's nice, very nice.
All right. Well, this hasn't got any coffee in. There you go. Oh, I need to get another spoon. I'll tell you for why. Because see all the porridge bits there? If you don't do this, sometimes it can go a bit gloopy. So I kind of break it up a little bit first. Just cause. I'll put the lid on this because knowing my flailing arms, I will end up sending it everywhere. Give it a little shake. And that's it. When the kids were little and I used to make this, I had to shout, "Noise!" So then they could go like this, like that. It's just a habit that I've got into. Now, quite often I'll put cacao powder in as well, which makes it like a chocolatey smoothie and makes it brown. But I don't think, it does add to the taste a little bit, but you don't miss it if you don't have it.
And there you go.
Nice. That's really nice. There you go. Literally, that is all you need on this side. The others are added extras.